Well, let's see what I can do with this and see how it comes out. Looks like it's mostly just transfer, but usually right in here I'm really leery. I think it may have taken the paint off and might be down to at least the primer, but we'll find out. All right, well, it appears they may have lucked out. Just a few light little scuffs in here. I should be able to clean up real easy. This edge was pretty much okay. I was worried that it was down to the primer or something. It really looked bad. Looked like that's what took the brunt of it. But whatever, it's looking a lot better than I thought it was. That's what you never know. When you hit something and it transfers paint over, you never know what's behind it until you get it all off. Then you can really kind of assess what's going on. So this isn't always the case. I've had stuff that it has taken paint off. So just something you got to be careful of. I'm going to keep working on this, and I'll shoot another video when it's finished. All right, let's see what we got. So we're at the point I got it all sanded out. Just really light, didn't have to do, it actually didn't take much at all to get them out. So I know it looks kind of ugly right now, but once we get in here and we polish all this, you won't even know it's there. Like I said, everything came out. There was nothing on this edge here, which is great. The hard part is just going to be able to get in here and get right up against, because it went all the way up against this mud flap type thing, and it's just going to be really difficult to get in there and get it polished, but I'll do my best. And actually, so all I used was 2500 wet dry sandpaper. I used a bigger piece to get started, and then once I really got in there, I grabbed the little piece. Obviously, just a little backing plate or a backing, nice firm backing, so you keep that all level all throughout there. So there's no low spots in there at all. It's all nice and level. Same thing with using the little sanding block. This one's got a lot of give to it. It's very soft. That's the same, and the same thing with the other one. These things have a lot of give to them. There's one, I got another one that has, it's a lot stiffer, but I always like having a lot of give. I don't want to push too hard and take off too much material, because we are removing material as we are wet sanding this, so gotta keep that in mind. And that's pretty much all I did. So I will come back with the finished video in a second here. Freaking magic. That again. So they lucked out. Polished it, came out great. Now, will this happen every time? Is this always a guaranteed win? No. But even just getting that paint off alone made a huge difference. And I went ahead and went right for the wet sanding, because I knew I was going to do some wet sanding anyways. Most likely there was going to be some sort of impression or something, or a scratch in that paintwork. It's very rare that you'll find where you'll get paint transfer on a vehicle and it doesn't leave any kind of scratches behind or anything. If there was something behind that paint, something sturdy, you're probably going to leave a mark. It's probably going to leave an impression or something in the clear coat. So I went right for the wet sanding, but I've got the experience, you know, to do it and know that how far I can go before I go too far. And this was very minimal. I barely wet sanded it and got those marks out. So easy day, fun stuff. I'll talk to you soon.